Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm gonna go get my tire fixed. Looks like I got a flat. Just heading to Bettencourt's real quick. I'll see you there. Guys, I had to drive home and it looks like I'm gonna get a different kind of tires. So I just came to get the front one so we can have both new kind of street tires, all right? So bear with me, I'm just gonna take this off and we'll go back to Bettencourt's. So guys, I brought the wheels, the front wheels. I turned it in, so they're gonna work on it and then give me a call. I just cannot come into this dealer and not look at bikes. So let me show you guys around a little bit. Look at this little thing right here. Thing's nice. Street legal. Shit's sweet. Look at this little thing right here. Pretty dope. Look at all these bikes, man. It's like a dream. This is a nice two-stroke right here. I'm feeling this piranha right here. It's pretty nice. This little one here. Yo, look at these bars, man. They're pretty dope. Even one of these fat bars. I'm gonna get this one. It's like $9. I need new grips, so I'll take this one with me. Hey guys, I went ahead and only got I only went and picked up the grips. So grips and the glue is all I got. Got the grips, and here's the glue. Now it's time for a haircut. I have to go to the barber shop, get lined up real quick. Looking pretty rough. But we have made it home, and I'm getting ready to do a workout. Probably gonna work on my shoulders. Let me see, I'll do shoulders and some push-ups, some pull-ups. They still haven't called me from Bettencourt's to pick up my tires, but at some point it should be ready.
Starting with the shoulder exercise. I usually do these, man. Man, this will kill your shoulders, man. Try it and you won't regret it. Moving on to pull-ups exercises. I usually start with the wide grip. These feel good on your back, man. Try it. Now we have a second grip. This will work more on your bicep. It will work on your back, but especially your bicep. Give you that big bicep. Try it and you won't regret it. Moving on to my third grip pull-ups exercise. I love this one, man. This gives you that nice back and bicep, working that core also. Now this last one is another one of my favorite. I love to do them. This one works on your core. I swear, it works on your abs also. This type of grip. I just started doing it for about 2 weeks now. Now we got my first meal of the day. My breakfast. It's now 2 o'clock, and I haven't eaten anything since this morning. But I had so much to do. That's why it just didn't happen. But normally I do not eat this late.
Hey, what is up, y'all? After that workout, man, I was knocked, man. I was taking a nap, and they gave me a call saying the bike, the tires are ready. So I just came to pick it up. I'm gonna see you guys in a little bit. Let me just pick up the tires and I'll show you what it looked like. All right, see you shortly. Hey guys, so I went and picked up the tires. This is what they look like from the back. I'm gonna have to give it a good wash before I put it on because it looks pretty dirty because I took it off road. And look at this, look at the spokes, pretty dirty. We got the back done. Now let's do the front. Take a look how it came out. That looks dope. These should be good for the streets, guys. All right, let's do the front now. All right, guys, I did the front one off camera. The bike looking pretty fresh with the new tires. Check it out. Guys, this will wrap up today's vlog. I'm pretty impressed with how the bike came out. I'll see you on the next one, all right? Stay safe, peace, and stay blessed.